Okay, I was sent this kit to do, and I wanted to do it with my granddaughter. This is, I'll show them what it is. This is the Zombie Plant Grow Kit.
And you touch it and it goes up.
But this is the kit that they sent this to us to try it out. All right, let's open it. All right, there's the soil. Okay, wait a minute. We got to see what the directions say. Okay.
Yep, there's.
Wow, look at all the seeds.
So.
How many packs?
1, 2, 3.
Wow, that's a lot.
Give me the scissors, please.
This says, hello, my name is Mark. I'm the co-owner of the Tickle Me Plant Company. Thank you for your order. So let's find the directions for it before you start cutting stuff. Okay, here are the directions. Before planting, with adult, that'd be me, right? With adult supervision, place your zombie plant seeds in hot or boiling water and let them soak for about 24 hours as the water cools. Okay, so we need to open up the seeds and put them in here, and then we'll boil some water and put them in it, okay? There you go.
So there's a lot of seeds, so you have to be very careful.
Whoa.
That was a lot than the strawberry plant.
Yeah, it was. Right. Are we supposed to do all 3 packets at the same time? We need all 3. All right, we're going to go boil some water. Okay, we have the boiling water. See it? All right, pour the boiling water in the seeds. All right. I'll show it to you. Look, see? All right, we're going to leave them there for 24 hours. Okay, what did we do with the seeds?
We put them in boiling water, and then we set them for a whole night.
For 24 hours.
For 24 hours.
Now we're going to put the dirt. You put them in here. Oops. So put them back in there. How many do we have?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Right.
Count them again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good.
6.
Okay, 6. Now you take the 1 soil pellet out and put it in.
Now what?
Put it in each one.
Let me fix that one. I'm having a hard time.
It's okay. It doesn't have to be in there like that. Let me help you.
No, I got it. And wet, it smelled.
It does. It soaks up the water when we put it in.
Oh! Can you get it to me?
That's fine. It's fine like
I
that.
don't want it to be like that. I wanted it to be nice like these two. Okay, there we go. Okay.
Alrighty. Okay, it says to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in each one. This is a half a tablespoon. So if we were going to do 2 whole ones, we'll have to do 4 of these. So you ready? This is warm water in here. So hold it out for it. You hold the spoon. Alright, let's hold it over it. Alright, there's 1. Kinda. 2. Let's let that. Let's do the others and then we'll come back if we need to. 1. Hold it over it. 2. 1. 2. Look at the dirt. Look at it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Okay, you gotta hold it sideways, honey, so the water won't pour out. And let's do the rest of them so they can all be getting it. Hold it over it. Wait, I'm not. Okay. Hold it over it. Let's do the other one. Do it easy. Alright, let's put this towel down. Alright, we're gonna need to put more, but you can take your little fork, and it said to just kind of mix it up a little. So hold it with your hand. Hold this with your hand. Alright, let's put some more water in them. And these do have the holes on the bottom, you see? Where if we put too much water, it's going to come out. Here. Alright, we need to put 1, Here, hold it like that so it won't pour out until you're ready. Start it over. Let's go do this one and that one, and then we'll come back and do the others. Okay, you need to move your head. You're in the way of the camera. Here. And we need to do this one and that one. And that one, honey. You probably need to get a little bit out of this one and put it in that one, because we kind of dumped it. Now take your fork and mix them up some more. Hold the pot. Hold the pot.
Okay, now what?
All right, we need to take some of it out. Let me go get a bowl to put it in. Okay, so we added the water. We added about 2 tablespoons in each one, right? Because we did them 4 times each with a half a tablespoon. And we mixed the soil with your fork. And now what we're going to do is we're going to remove some extra soil so the soil level is a little bit below the top. And we'll save that soil for later, okay? All right? Okay, let's take one of these, and you take about a scoop out of each of them and put it in there. Hold the pot.
A big scoop?
There, yeah, that's great.
Well, why are we doing it?
What did it say? It said to take it out. Go ahead and get that one. So when you put the seeds in, they'll have room in there for the seeds, and then we're going to put soil back over the seeds. Good job. All right, so now we just got to wait for the seeds.